Ever wonder how some people build empires from nothing? It's not luck, and it's not because they were born with a silver spoon. They have a hidden formula, a secret sauce that anyone can learn. Let's break it down. First, it all starts in your head. Napoleon Hill in Think and Grow Rich talked about a burning desire. It's not just a wish, it's an obsession. You have to want it so badly that it becomes the first thing you think about when you wake up and the last thing before you sleep. This desire fuels everything. It turns your brain into a magnet, attracting opportunities and ideas that others miss. This is the starting point of all achievement. Next, you have to think differently about money. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaches that the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Instead of trading time for a paycheck, successful people build or buy assets, things that put money in their pocket. This could be a business, real estate, or stocks. It's a total shift from the get-a-safe-job mentality we are often taught. It's about financial intelligence, not just working harder. But desire and smarts aren't enough without grit. Angela Duckworth's research shows that passion and perseverance for long-term goals are the biggest predictors of success. Life will knock you down. You'll fail. A lot. The successful don't have fewer setbacks. They just get back up one more time than everyone else. Grit is staying in the game when you feel like quitting. It's playing the long game. Finally, success isn't a straight line. Malcolm Gladwell in Outliers shows that extraordinary success often comes from unique opportunities and unconventional paths. It's about seeing the world differently and seizing those chances. It's not about following the herd. It's about creating your own path, practicing relentlessly, and being in the right place at the right time because you put yourself there. So, the formula is simple but not easy. A burning desire, financial intelligence, unwavering grit, and the courage to think differently. It's not about where you start. It's about the fire inside you and the direction you choose. You have what it takes to build your own success story. Start today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.